Hi, and welcome to day one of your 7-day trading kickstart. If you're here, you're probably curious about trading. Maybe you've seen ads, heard friends talk about it, or just want to understand how it works. You're in the right place. This series is designed for beginners. No confusing jargon, no hype, just clear steps to help you get started safely and confidently. What is trading? Trading means buying and selling financial instruments, like gold, oil, currencies, or stock indices, to profit from price changes. You're not buying physical gold or actual dollars. You're speculating whether prices will go up or down. If you think the price will rise, you open a buy trade. If you expect it to fall, you sell. It's that simple in concept, but like any skill, it takes time to master. Example, a gold trade. Let's say gold is trading at $2,000 per ounce. You expect the price to go up, so you place a buy trade. If it rises to 2020 and you close the position, you make a profit. If it drops to 1980 and you close it, you take a loss. Your profit or loss depends on how much the price moved, the size of your trade, whether you use leverage. We'll explain all of these in more detail later in the series. What can you trade? As a beginner, focus on simple, popular markets. Currencies, Forex like USD, ZAR, or EUR, USD, commodities like gold, oil, and silver, indices like NASDAQ, S&P 500, stocks like Tesla, Apple. In South Africa, gold and Forex are the most common starting points. What you need to start trading. A regulated broker. Always choose a broker licensed by the FSCA. This means your broker is supervised and must follow strict rules to protect your funds. Look for clear info on their site about their FSCA number and registration. A trading platform. This is where you analyze charts, open trades, and monitor the market. Most brokers offer MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or their own web mobile platforms. Initial capital. While some brokers allow deposits from 500 rands, starting with at least 5,000 rands gives you more control and flexibility. A stable internet connection and a device. Desktop is ideal for learning, but mobile apps are great for tracking on the go. A willingness to learn. Successful trading isn't about luck. It's about education, risk management, and keeping your emotions in check. Real beginner scenario. Let me give you a quick example. Darren, a 39-year-old from Durban, wanted to start trading. He opened an account and deposited 5,000 rands with an FSCA-regulated broker. Instead of rushing into random trades, he focused on a few assets, gold, NASDAQ, and USD ZAR. Using a simple support and resistance strategy, he placed 1 or 2 trades per day, risking no more than 10% per trade. After a month, he was up 900 rands. Not life-changing, but it proves something important. With patience and a plan, trading can work, even with a small start. Understand the risks trading involves risk. You can and will have losses. Even professionals lose trades. That's why smart traders use strategies like entry orders, money management, never risking more than 10-20% of their capital. They don't trade emotionally. If you're angry, tired, or desperate, don't trade. Beginner trading terms you should know. Here are some quick terms you'll hear often. Leverage. Allows you to trade with more money than you deposit. For example, 1 to 200, leverage lets you control $200,000 with $1,000 invested. But it increases risk. Position size, the volume of your trade. Spread, the difference between buy and sell prices, how brokers make money. CFD, contract for difference, a common way to trade without owning the actual asset. What about South African traders? South Africa has a strong trading community and excellent regulation. The FSCA oversees brokers, making sure they follow financial laws. When using an FSCA-regulated broker, your funds are kept in separate accounts. You have access to local payment methods. You can get help if there's a dispute. You can deposit using bank transfer, OZAO, card payments, and often withdraw in 1 to 3 days. Quick quiz moment. Let's test your understanding so far. Which of these is a commodity? A. USD ZAR. B. NASDAQ. C. Gold. D. Apple stock. Answer C. Gold is a commodity. USD ZAR is Forex. NASDAQ is an index. Apple is a stock. These kinds of questions help you solidify the categories we discussed. Bonus tip. Keep a trading journal. One of the best habits for beginners is to track your trades. Use a simple notebook, spreadsheet, or app to record what trade you made, why you made it. The result, profit or loss. What you learned over time, this helps you identify patterns, improve decisions, and stay emotionally neutral. Most successful traders, even pros, use journals regularly. Let's recap what you learned today. Trading means buying and selling based on price movements. You don't need to own assets physically, you trade price direction. You can start with gold, oil, Forex, or indices. Use a regulated FSCA broker. Risk management and mindset are more important than signals or luck. Quick checklist before you move on. Do you understand what trading actually means? Do you know what you can trade and how prices move? Do you know what you need to begin? Broker, platform, capital. Are you aware of the risks involved? If yes, you're ready for day 2. What's coming in day 2? We'll talk about choosing the right asset for you. Are you a fast decision maker who loves charts? You may enjoy gold or Forex. Prefer slow, thoughtful planning? You may prefer indices or stocks. We'll help you find your style and pick your first asset to focus on. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to watch day 2 now. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series. See you there, and welcome again to the world of trading.